my god! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is that Knox?
Yeah. Is she okay?
Yeah, I think she broke her shoulder or her arm or something.
Is she okay?
No.
I mean, is she like?
She's alive.
Oh, she's good.
She's hurt bad though.
God damn it! Oh God.
That's alright. Can you push back against her toes?
Jess.
Good. Don't move it again.
Jess, I'm here. It's Mello. Jess, are you okay?
She's okay.
Are you okay though?
Sounds like broken arm.
Which arm? Just breathe,
Left
girl.
arm.
You're okay.
Can
Can
you
you
see me
breathe
all right?
okay?
What?
Can
you
you
see
breathe
me?
all right?
Yeah, she's good. Can you see me okay?
Yes.
Okay,
Good.
Jess. All right, just relax. Just relax, girl.
So, do you have any allergies you know of?
No.
Alright. Except for pain and fucking up a bike.
Very good. Jess, I'm here, okay? You're okay. Do you feel you hurt anywhere else?
Alright. Ambulance is on the way.
Okay, okay, you're good. Just relax.
Yes.
What about it? All right, somebody's on their way.
Yeah.
Did you hit your head hard?
She had her IC on.
Say again?
Does she have a case of an emergency thing?
No, you have
No,
emergency
we're not going
thing
to
on
worry
your
about that right now.
helmet?
Get a hold of somebody at the shop. Call the shop, or if you have Brandon's number, call him directly.
Yeah, we got it on the shop.
We want somebody to get a hold of someone at the shop. Do you have your emergency contact information on your profile on the board?
I'll call Shell.
Chill? Good.
Just relax, Jess.
Did you move it off?
Would you like that piece of grass out of your face?
Yeah, we got somebody on the way. Fuck.
Last time I dumped it, annoyed the shit out of me. All the crap that my helmet seemed to
Just
scoop up.
relax. You're okay, Jess.
You know where your arm feels broken?
Michelle.
Can you feel anything inside your arm? I want to be able to give the paramedics. I don't want you to move any more than you have to.
Just take it easy.
Yeah, hold on, don't move. All I want you to do is just think about it. You know how you can flex the muscles inside your arm without actually moving it?
I can't hear you.
You know how you flex the muscles inside your arm without actually moving